Hello friends, my name is Haris and you're watching Tech Reel, and today I'm going to talk about iOS 14 features or tips and tricks. So what you see here is a clean interface of iOS 14, which is a massive update till date what I've seen from Apple, and really beats out the Android software. So at the very left hand side, what you see here is all the widgets which are in place here. So if you see let me just show it to you right away. So let me remove this widget. So what you need to do is you need to hold the screen, and what you see, the plus symbol here, you need to click on this. So you have various widgets here. So if I want the reminders one, so I just need to click this, and we have various sizes that we want to choose. So I want a minimal one, so I'll just select this and I'll just give it as an add widget. So you can just scroll it like this here at the bottom of the page. So you can just put it wherever you want, at the top or the center or bottom, right? So if you can see, you can just play with it around like this. So this is very good update from Apple, what I've seen on the widgets end. And the second thing is, what I want to talk about is the picture-in-picture collapsed window. So basically if you go to the Apple TV, I'm not sure if this picture-in-picture update is on YouTube. I don't think so. So suppose if you're going to play a video here, what I'm playing is from Apple TV software. So if you are going to play some video here on Apple TV, so you get this option here where you can go to the picture-in-picture mode. So you can scroll it where you want, and if at all you want to do something, or if you don't want to watch this video, you just need to slide it to the right hand side. So as you can see, the video is playing here, and the audio is still running in the background, but you cannot see the video. So what you need to do is you just need to scroll it back like this, and you can also push it here so you can play with it. So this is a very nice update in iOS 14. And so second thing what I wanted to show you is, if you hold the home screen here, and if you click any of the three dots here, so what you see is I have various pages here which are hidden. So I'll just tick them up once you click on done. So you can see we have so many pages which I had hidden them. So I just wanted it to be clean, right? So what I'll do is, again, I'll click on the home screen, select any of these dots here, and uncheck all of these pages. I'll uncheck all of these pages. I'll click on done. So what you see here now is a clean iOS 14 stuff. So we have something called app library, which will sort things up based on the suggestions recently added, and social creativity, shopping, and a lot of stuff, right? Like gamings and everything. Okay, so it'll just sort up all the applications, and this is a very good feature which is called hide app pages, where you can hide the complete pages. So the next thing what I'm going to talk about is about the preventing the new installation apps on home screen. So what you need to do is, you just need to go to settings and go to the home screen, and you see something here called newly downloaded apps, add to home screen or app library only. So if you want to choose add to home screen, so whenever you install a new app, it will come to the home screen. If you don't want, and if you want it to be only on the app library, so you can just select that and go back to settings after saving those. So what happens is, whenever you install a new application, it just gets added to the app library, and it will not come here on the home screen. So this is a nice feature. And the next thing is navigation history stack. When you go to the settings page, and when you go to general, and when you go to date and time, and you need not click multiple times to get out of the this page on the settings. So you can just hold on here, it will ask you, it will pop up as, so you can just click on settings and it will take you to settings back. So irrespective of however deep you go into the settings page, you can just come out of it at a single click. So this is something called navigation history stack, which is a beautiful feature. Guys, so the next feature is about mirror front camera. So when you click on camera and when you want to take a selfie, so if I take a selfie like this, and if you open the application, you see the picture gets mirrored. So my finger was at the left hand side and now you see it's at right hand side. So what you need to do is you need to go to settings, go to camera, click on the mirror front camera here. So after choosing this option, when you open the camera and again if you take a selfie, so now you can see the finger stays at the left hand side, so you will not face any mirror option here. So what you can see is a perfect image, and that is a very good option, right? So this is something called mirror front camera. The next feature is FaceTime Eye Contact. You need to go to settings, go to FaceTime and click on eye contact here. So what happens is whenever you perform the video call, even if you're looking slightly down, the eye contact will be just towards your camera. So that is a new feature again. So guys, the next feature is photos zoom. So as you can see, when you open the photo application, you have 3 dots here which will click, and you see you have something called zoom out, so it gets zoom out. So you can also do this with your multiple fingers, so the photos get zoom in and zoom out. So there's also one more option what you see here. You click on these 3 dots and you see something called aspect ratio grid here. So once you click this, your photo now aspect ratio changes. So if you want to have a square photo grid, you can click on square photo grid. So this is one more feature. And the next thing is about the volume up or down camera controls. So when you click on camera and it opens, right? Suppose if you want to take a video, right? So what you do is you just hold and press the volume down button, so the video gets recorded. As soon as you leave the button, the video stops. So this is one of the features, and we have one more thing in the settings what I can show you. So you need to go to camera and you have something called use volume up for burst. So when you click this and then you go back to camera, and when you hold the up button, volume up button, it takes burst photos. So you have various controls here which you can utilize from the settings application. And so the next feature is the private Wi-Fi address. You go to settings, you go to Wi-Fi, whatever Wi-Fi connection you're on, you guys just go to that, and what you see here is a private address here. So this shows that you are on a secure connection, right? So Apple is mainly they are concerned about the privacy of the customers, what they have. So that is a very nice feature to have a private connection and secure connection. So the next thing is you have something called a hidden album here, in the photos. So whenever you are hiding an image, it will come here in the hidden section. So if at all you don't want to see that hidden data there, you need to just go to the photos application and click on hidden album, which is here, which is on. You can just turn it off. So when you go back to the photos section, you'll not see the hidden folder here. So this is one of the key features what I see, but still your photos will not be hidden completely, but just the album will be hidden here. The next feature is 4K videos on YouTube. So when you open the YouTube application and then you search for some 4K content, so the first video what you see here is a Costa Rica 4K 60 frames per second video. So as soon as you open this, what you can do is you can just go to these 3 vertical lines here. You see currently it's being played at 1080p 60 frames HDR setting. So you can just select that and you see we have up to 2160 pixels 60 frames per second. So you can just choose that and it will play which is around more than 2K. So though our screens are just they do not have a 4K displays, but still they get upscaled to around more than 2K, and which gives you a very good clarity. So this is another good feature in iOS 14. The next feature is back tap. You go to settings, then you go to the accessibility section. Here you go to touch. At the bottom you can see something called back tap, and at double tap what you'll do is you will select screenshot, and at the triple tap you will select Siri. So what you'll do now is, so you just need to double tap and you'll get a screenshot, and triple tap, Siri will get activated. So as you saw, for double tap it gives you a screenshot, and for triple tap it gives a Siri voice. So double tap, screenshot, as simple as that. Sound recognition, you need to go to settings, go to accessibility again. Under hearing you see something called sound recognition. So if you turn this on, so you have different sounds here like fire, siren, smoke, cat, dog. So if you turn this on, I mean, like suppose if you turn on the dog's notification here, so whenever you hear a dog sound you will get a notification here, a dog barking. So this is very helpful if at all your baby is sleeping and your baby if it gets awake, and the phone will notify you that your baby has been getting up, and it's a nice feature, right, to have. So sound recognition is really a good option to have, and it's a very nice feature what I see on the iOS 14. So that's it for today, guys. I'll probably go through all the features. If I have something new, then definitely I'll make a new video again. So thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel and like this video, and do share with your friends. So that's all for today. Thank you, guys. Your support really matters. Take care. Bye bye.